Everyone, I'm Nishani Ravishankar and I'm going to talk about total quality management theory, an overview of the theory. So, total quality management theory was established on 1950s and evolved on 1980s, uh, which is long, which to achieve long-term success through customer satisfaction through continued improvement. Key components include customer focus, employee involvement, process center approach, integrated system strategic and systematic approach, continuous improvement, fact-based decision making, and effective communication. TQM emphasizes understanding customer needs, involving all employees in process improvement and integrating quality initiative into organization's culture. It also emphasizes a systematic approach, ensuring that quality initiatives align with the organization's strategic goals. So the next is TQM principles. TQM principles included strong leadership, customer orientation, employee engagement, process approach, system approach, continuous improvement, fact-based decision making, and mutually beneficial supply relationships. Tools and techniques include PDCA cycle, Six Sigma, benchmarking, root cause analysis, and statistical process control. Leadership is crucial for creating a clear vision, satisfying customer needs, and involving employees in the process. Continuous improvement involves upgrading processes, while fact-based decision-making ensures accuracy and efficiency. Strengthening supply relationships is essential for enhancing product and service quality. So the next is scenario. What the scenario of the organization before the TQM theory is applied? Before a total quality management theory, a company faced numerous problems, including lack of standardized procedures, inconsistent processes, frequent errors, and employee disillusionment. Poor communication led to misunderstanding, higher error rates, and high turnover rates, resulting in instability and poor overall performance. The central problem is poor communications. And now the last is what the relationship between the scenario that I'm already mentioned and the TQM theory. Let's see it. Total quality management is a management theory that aims to improve an organization performance by addressing issues such as non-standardized procedures, employee dissatisfaction, poor communication, and inefficiencies. TQM focuses on standardized processes, promoting best practices and eliminating diversity in processes. It also address employee disillusionment and lack of involvement, promoting a healthy environment for growth. Effective communication crucial for TQM, ensuring alignment with organizational objectives and reducing misunderstandings. By promoting transparency and open communications, TQM can improve overall performance and employee satisfaction. And that is from my part. Thank you. And I will pass to the next person.
Hello, madam. My name is Vasandiran. Today, I want to present my part. It is issues and recommendation. The first issues is poor communication. In workplace, communication is very important between staff and management. Or for new employers when join a company and senior employers. When new employers join a company, the senior employers didn't give the good communication with them. They are see like new employers to do many work and didn't teach about the procedure and safety for them. The team leader didn't give the briefing well about the project or operate the mission. The second issue is financial side. For example, like employers didn't get salary on time, they didn't get the OT for weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Some employers are in Malaysia are like B14. They would like to work in weekends, and the boss didn't give the work for weekends. For example, like overtime OT, and boss didn't give the bonus for them and reward. For example, like FNB, 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 they didn't teach well about the procedure for new employers, and we didn't give the reward from them. For when didn't give the reward and the OT or poor communication, the employers feel like sad, like unmotivated. They are lazy to come to work. That is one issue in happen in Malaysia. And the management simply uh, uh, didn't give the work to them to do more get the knowledge about the workplace. For recommendation, in my opinion, the management should give the training well for the employers. For example, like 1 month training or 2 months training. If they are going to training, they will get the salary like that. They are like more motivate when they go to training. Wow, we learn the knowledge of the company. We can teach for the who do the mistake, like employees will think like that, and boss will have the plan like month of employers. Their work for them, like okay, this month I must get the reward like month of employer, so everybody will put the effort for that. Or we work well without take any MC or off day, we will get the month of employers. All the company employees will proud from them like that. And the second issues, uh, the senior employers should take care of the new employers, must teach well about them, must give the motivate to them. They are also very happy to come to workplace. And the last recommendation for my opinion, management or CEO, they must have the 1 month one time. They must have some trip planning with all employees in company, go some hiking or go to vacation. They will more motivate, and they will do work well in workplace. They are not dismotivate like that, miss. Thank you.
Hello, madam. My name is Ashwin, and I'm going to talk about application of management theory. How management theory can be applied to address the issues and the challenges. So, for number one, to find inefficiencies in production processes, do time and motion studies. For example, standardization, which is to reduce holdups and bottlenecks, create and execute standardized processes and workflow. For number two is poor employee morale, basic needs. In order to address the core concerns of employees, make sure that their basic needs, fair compensation and safe working conditions are satisfied. For example, growth and rigor recognition, which is to improve morale, put in place recognition programs, and offer chances for professional and career advancement. And number three is poor communication theory integrated systems, which create a more cohesive communication structure that links the many departments inside the company. For example, is feedback mechanisms, which can be used to guarantee ongoing contact, conduct frequent feedback and sessions, and maintain open lines of communication between employees and management. For number 4 is inadequate training theory. Inadequate training theory means investing in training programs can help employees stay current on new procedures and skill and technologies, which leads to skill development. Encourage employees to share their knowledge in order to improve performance and overall competence. And number 5 is lack of accountability. For example, total quality management and management by objectives. Bullshit. Make sure staff are aware of their roles and responsibilities by using MBO to set clear, attainable goals and objectives from them. Another example is performance monitoring, which is hold frequent feedback sessions and performance evaluations to keep an eye on developments and quickly resolve problems. And I'm going to talk about the decision-making process. I'm going to talk about decision-making process. For number 1 is the identify the problem or opportunity. For example, gather data to determine areas in need of improvement or chances for innovation. Gather pertinent information from a variety of sources such as performance indicators, employee input, and consumer feedback. For number 2 is analyze the problem. An example is root cause analysis. To find the source of the issue, apply techniques like the 5 whys method, Pareto analysis, and cause and effect diagrams. For number 3 is develop possible solutions, and the example is brainstorming. Engage cross-functional teams in brainstorming sessions to generate a range of potential solutions. Or there's another example, which is benchmarking. Examine solutions that have been successfully applied in the past by comparing them to industry standards and best practices. For number 4 is evaluate and select the best solution. The example is criteria development. Establish standards for judging possible solutions, taking into account aspects like cost, effect on quality, and compatibility with corporate objectives. And for number 5 is plan and implement the solution. And the example is action plan, such as create a thorough action plan that outlines the procedures, materials, assigning of duties, and deadlines necessary to put the chosen solution into practice. Or another example is communication. Communicate the plan to all stakeholders, ensuring everyone understands their roles and the objectives. Thank you.